Welcome to Curious Mind Hub, where the ancient divine hides its deepest secrets. In the jungles of eastern India, there once stood a temple not found in any scripture or pilgrimage trail. It was said to house the most terrifying form of goddess Kali, a form so powerful, her worship was banned. This is the mystery of Kali Nisha, the forgotten Dark Mother. Near the dense forests of Simlipal, bordering Odisha and West Bengal, villagers speak of a goddess whose temple no longer exists on any map. Known only in whispers as Kali Nisha, or Kali of the Eternal Night, she was said to appear only in dreams and storms. A palm leaf fragment preserved in a private monastery in Bhadrak reads, "To Kali Nisha, who awakens not with bells, but with silence. To her, whose third eye opens when no moon rises." But these verses were never found in any official Tantric texts. Not in Devi Mahatmya, not in the Kalika Purana. Why? According to tribal accounts from the Santhal community, a stone shrine dedicated to Kali Nisha once stood in a clearing, deep inside the jungle. Only women entered the sanctum. It had no idol. Just a black obsidian mirror and blood-red sindoor smeared on stone. In 1892, during British colonial logging operations, 3 officers went missing near the site. The logs only say, the natives claim divine wrath. 1 officer found with burnt eyes, but no fire present. After this, colonial orders banned entry to the area. The villagers sealed the shrine with molten iron. Local elders say that Kali Nisha didn't ask for offerings, she asked for truths. Worshippers were forced to confront their darkest inner self under her mirror's gaze. Some lost their minds. Others disappeared. Only one ritual was remembered: sit before her alone. If your heart is pure, you will walk back. If not, she will consume your reflection. In 2003, a team of amateur explorers from Bhubaneswar claimed to find a shattered black stone slab and a sealed tunnel entrance with ancient Odia inscriptions saying, "Kali Nisha sleeps here. Do not wake the night." Since then, the site has been inaccessible. Attempts to film there have failed, equipment dies, batteries drain, GPS fails. Is Kali Nisha just a forgotten tribal goddess? Or a suppressed truth too terrifying for the scriptures to hold? One thing remains, her shrine was real. And her mystery is still untouched. Some goddesses bless, others protect, and a few reveal. Like, comment and subscribe to Curious Mind Hub, where forgotten divinity whispers once more.